Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. In our gospel reading today, Jesus said to the paralytic, "Courage, child, be courageous." And that is also the word Jesus is telling all of us, be courageous. Maybe some of us are afraid. What are we afraid for? My dear brothers and sisters, there are three things why we are afraid. Number one, we are afraid of failure. Failure in relationships, failure in our work, failure in our studies. And it would be very traumatic, maybe for some. Like, for example, if you take the board exam and you failed, some will never take again. Or maybe you have failure in your relationship. Gibuwagan ka, o kaha unfaithful imong bana, imong asawa. And so that would be a very traumatic experience for you. We fear of failure. And so that's why some people would say, dili na lang gyud ko. Number two, we fear not only of failure, because we also fear of the unknown. We just don't know what would happen tomorrow. We might be very secure today, but who knows what would happen after the Mass? What would happen this evening? What would happen tomorrow, next month? We are very insecure. We fear what would happen to our children. While we are attending the Mass now, maybe we are thinking, where is my child now? Or what is my husband doing in the office? We fear the unknown. We just don't know what would happen. Labi nag kanang senior citizen na ta. Kinsa kay moatiman ako, masakit atong tangkugo, iyay, mao naman siguro ni. We just don't know. Number three, we fear of pain. Who wants pain in life? Each of us has its own experience of pain. Pain in terms of relationship, pain in terms when our children do not give attention to us, or even pain when people who are very tactless, para sa uban wala ra, pero kita nasakitan na di ay. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, the Lord gives us a very beautiful word for us. Be courageous. Do not be afraid. I have one suggestion for all of you. When you are afraid of the unknown, when you are afraid of moving forward, take out your rosary and hold on literally to your rosary. And in that way, it will express and will tell you that I will move on. I am not afraid. Why? Because I am holding to the Lord. I am holding to Mama Mary. Kupti ang inyong rosaryuhan o maghatag na nimo og kaisog nga mopadayon sa imong kinabuhi. And why are we afraid? We are afraid of failure. We are afraid of the unknown. And we are afraid of pain.